Yo, what's up guys? Today we are reviewing the Ruroc Atlas 4.0 Ghost Helmet. Now this helmet was $475, weighs about 3.4 pounds, and it is .N ECE certified. Now let's just take a look at this beast. This helmet is cool looking. This helmet is like nothing you've seen before. To me it almost looks like a skeleton's head, which is a freaking cool thing. Well, let's dive into it here. We've got the brow intake vent here with the switch that's able to be manipulated with your thumb while you're riding. On the chin we got the two intakes, but the switch is on the inside here, and you're gonna have to use your thumb to manipulate that switch up and down to whatever is your liking there. We've got some vents on the side, and then on the rear we have a large exhaust, two large exhaust ports here. Now what they did, they had a large rear exhaust port on the top of the skull, which they got rid of because it was leading to too much wind drag and too much wind noise. So one good thing about Ruroc as a company is that they really listen to the consumers' reviews and they make adjustments. This is the version 4.0. I'm sure in version 5.0 they're going to make it even better than this one, which is tall order because this helmet's already really good. Especially for the money. Well, let's dive into it here with the visor. This visor is very optically clear. What it does come with, a few different riding positions here. First off, there is a small city riding position, very slight, and it locks down all the way if you give it some give, like that. The first position is about here. I'm not even sure if any airflow can get in there, but the next is here, here, and there. Alright, so a few positions. I would prefer the city riding position to be a little more open, a few millimeters like that, so that way fresh air can come in when you're riding. But that's just me. As far as replacing the visors, they have a very easy, quick release thumb screw here. You can undo that, toss on a new visor. The helmet does come with a tinted visor as well, which is great right out the box, which is very nice of them. They do have many different visor colors, tints, mirrored visors, as well as the pin lock ready visors, which is around $30, and you can get all these on their website there, among other sites. If we look at the bottom here, a few interesting features. First off, very comfortable chin guard. You can see this material, it's almost like microfiber. They made a lot of improvements as far as the cheek pads and the headlining, as far as comfort and climate control and wind noise control. So what they have is actually multi-layered cushion, so it really conforms to your head. It's not just one piece of cushion in there, there's a few layers, and they conform perfectly to your head, so we don't have any wiggle room when you're riding. They do have a very good in-depth sizing chart on their website, and you should definitely check it out to see which size is correct for you. Another interesting feature here is they don't have a double D ring clasp. What they have is a magnet, and you can just simply pull it to undo it, and then it goes right back on. Just like that. You can see how if you pull it to the side, it's not going to come off, but if you pull it out, it comes off real nice and easy. So that's a very interesting feature that I haven't seen on any other motorcycle helmets. But what I was saying earlier is they did make a lot of improvements as far as the cheek lining conforming to your head, as well as the moisture wicking technology, sound reduction, and climate control. Lots of improvements since the last version. If we look at the headliner, beneath the padding is what they call RIA Smart Reactive Polymer Technology. And basically, this is able to absorb and dissipate impact forces away from your head. Now if we look to the rear here, this is where the shockwave Bluetooth integrated comm system goes. There's a little tab, you can get your finger right under there and just give it a nice little pull. Two little magnets keep it real nice and secure. It's not going to fall off when you're riding on the highway. And you can see where the cables are here. They attach right on to that shockwave integrated Bluetooth comm system. Costs about $175 on their website. And that's going to give you all the capabilities of a Bluetooth system as far as communication and listening to music and Google Maps or whatnot. One thing that's great is Ruroc does have an app called Chain, that's C-H-A-I-N, and that's able to link up with other riders. Doesn't matter where they are in the world, as long as they have mobile data, and you're able to communicate with them even if they don't have a Ruroc helmet. It connects to any Bluetooth comm system. What it uses is called VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol, the same protocols that apps like Skype and WhatsApp, Discord, that they all use. And now we can use this chain app and we can talk to riders. Well, coming back to the Atlas, this helmet, $475, worth every single penny. This thing is so cool looking, so unique. You're going to get to where you need to get there safely and get there in style. I definitely recommend checking it out for yourself, but for the money, man, I can't think of anything better. Well, if you found this useful, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you later. Bye.